The ViewSonic LS920WU is a projector that brings professional-level performance to classrooms, boardrooms, and large event spaces. With an impressive 6,000 lumens of brightness, this projector ensures that presentations remain clear and vibrant, even in rooms with substantial ambient light. Text, charts, and images all appear crisp and easy to read, making it ideal for professional, educational, or corporate use. The WUXGA resolution paired with 4K HDR and HLG support delivers sharp visuals with excellent color depth and contrast. So content doesn't just look bright, it looks dynamic and engaging. A standout feature of this model is its laser light source. Unlike traditional lamp-based projectors, the LS920WU offers a longer lifespan, consistent brightness, and minimal maintenance. The laser can last for tens of thousands of hours, reducing the need for frequent replacements and keeping operational costs low. For environments such as schools, universities, and businesses where reliability is crucial, this ensures that every presentation or lecture runs smoothly, without interruptions or dimming over time. This projector supports massive screen sizes up to 300 inches. Whether it's a large classroom, lecture hall, or corporate boardroom, every audience member can enjoy a clear view. The optical system includes a 1.6x zoom, allowing flexible adjustment of screen size without moving the projector itself. And lens shift technology makes it simple to align the image perfectly, even in challenging spaces. Dual HDMI ports allow multiple devices to connect at once, making switching between laptops, media players, or other sources quick and easy. The LS920WU excels when it comes to image quality. Text and graphics are sharp and detailed, making it perfect for data-heavy presentations. Color accuracy and vibrancy are exceptional, and HDR/HLG support ensures that videos and multimedia content have realistic depth and dynamic contrast. Installation is straightforward thanks to features like optical zoom, lens shift, and keystone correction, which makes setup simple whether the projector is ceiling-mounted, table-mounted, or positioned off-center. Laser projectors also have the advantage of instant startup and shutdown. There's no waiting for lamps to warm up or cool down, which saves time in fast-paced environments. Educators can start lectures immediately, and business professionals can deliver presentations without delays. Even in brightly lit environments, the projector maintains its impressive brightness and color fidelity. For those using the projector in classrooms, lecture halls, or auditoriums, this translates to consistent, high-quality visuals every time. Maintenance is minimal. With no lamps to replace and easy-to-clean filters, the LS920WU reduces downtime and operational effort. This makes it a reliable, cost-effective choice for institutions and businesses with frequent use. Beyond practicality, the projector is versatile. Its high brightness, large projection capability, and advanced imaging features make it suitable for a variety of settings, from classrooms and conference rooms to event spaces and auditoriums. The ViewSonic LS920WU is more than just a projector. It's a professional tool built for performance, reliability, and longevity. Its combination of 6,000 lumens brightness, WUXGA resolution, HDR/HLG support, dual HDMI connectivity, and flexible installation options ensures every presentation, lecture, or event looks polished and engaging. Whether you're delivering educational content, business presentations, or multimedia showcases, this projector provides consistent, high-quality results. In short, the LS920WU transforms large spaces into immersive visual environments. Its high brightness ensures clear viewing in any lighting condition, laser technology minimizes maintenance, and advanced features like optical zoom and lens shift allow flexible installation. For classrooms, boardrooms, or auditoriums looking for a projector that combines performance, reliability, and versatility, the LS920WU is a standout choice. To explore pricing and latest offers, check the link in the description below. Investing in this projector means investing in professional-grade visuals that will last for years while elevating every presentation and lecture to a new level of clarity and impact.